Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the best flows you can use to book demos with AI. I'm going to show you all the tools and what we do. So first, there are two types of leads you can contact. Leads from static database and leads from intent database. So static database is basically Sales Navigator and tools like Apollo. So you input an ICP, and then what's going to happen is you extract the leads and you can contact them. So Apollo here. And an intent database, it's leads that have showed intent. So you can have leads from ads, you can have leads from inbound, for example, and you can also have high intent leads from Goji Berry. High intent leads from Goji Berry AI. So the main difference here, you are spending budget and people are clicking on a link and maybe leaving their email. Inbound, you create content. So you have leads to contact that showed some intent. And high intent leads, it's leads that interacted with some keywords, interacted with some competitors, joined several groups on LinkedIn, followed certain pages, published about something. Could also be people that are interacting with someone, an influencer in the space. And so you have all these data sources. Then what you are going to do. So the static database, here you play on volume. And here you play on quality. So you are not going to treat the two database as the same. So as if you are an SDR or an account executive, well, of course, you know that the intent database is going to deliver more results, but the static database is going to give you way more leads to contact. So then what you are going to do is you can input all these leads into Instantly, Wallaxy, to do some outreach. And you are not going to contact all these people the same way, and I'm going to explain. Ads, and then you have high intent leads. So usually when you scrap Sales Navigator or Apollo, you can input everyone in an Instantly or Wallaxy campaign and you can blast some email. That works really well. When you do ads, of course, usually you reach out manually, but you can also have some sequences and you can also call. When you have inbound, that's the same thing. You try to get the people number. And when you extract high intent leads from a tool like Goji Berry AI, you can use some context. Let's say someone posted about cold email and you have a cold emailing tool. Well, you can contact this person with Instantly, Wallaxy, so on LinkedIn and by cold email, saying, okay, I've seen that cold emailing is a key subject in your company right now. This is what we do, let's talk. And so how do you get these high intent leads? Well, that's very easy. You can use this tool, Goji Berry AI. So in AI agent, you will create an agent. You just tell the software who you want to talk to, so your ideal customer, with target job titles, location, company types, target industries, and company sizes. And then in signals, you can configure some intent signals. So every time someone from your ideal customer profile interacts with cold email or lead generation, you will get the lead. You can put some experts and creators. You can track some LinkedIn groups and events and track some competitor engagement. And so all of these combined works really, really well. And so in lead inbox, every day you get new leads. So here, for example, 39 minutes ago, this guy was found because he engaged with an industry expert. And if I click on contact now, it generates an email and a LinkedIn message ready to be sent that I can connect with Instantly, Lemlist, and all these outreach tools. So that's a great way to get leads. And so if you only rely on static database, you are making a huge mistake. And if you are not doing high intent lead, that's also a lot of leads you could contact every day. For example, here we generated 1,369 leads in less than 30 days. And all these people, they go into our pipeline, and then that's how we get demos. So you have to remember the difference between static database and intent database. And if you want to use Goji Berry AI to get high intent leads, please book a call below. See you soon.